Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. This is Sanjana from the beautiful city of Brussels, and today I'm going to take you to Omegang 2026. So basically you can get tickets for this program, which is completely about the history, the culture and everything. They showcase the old ancient times, the medieval times out here, and they do performances accordingly. So आप जाके देख सकते हो, annually होता है ये, and yeah, I was so excited and I got ready and I went out. Honestly, I didn't have any plans, but raat ko, it was 9 o'clock. I took shower and I was feeling a little better. You know, after the age of 30, sometimes you become very lazy. I mean, I am. I don't know if you guys are, but somehow कुछ भी plan करने के लिए I have to think like so many times कि जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, but then suddenly when you freshen up, मैंने नहाया and I felt like, oh my god, I have a new energy and let's go, let's check it out. So मैं गई. The beauty of Omegang is this, that 1930 से they try to preserve their history, and इसीलिए हर साल दो दिन I mean ये program होता है. So the parade starts from a certain place out here in Brussels, and that carry on till the square, the grand place where the programs happen, and people do different events, and everything completely looks medieval. मतलब कुछ भी modern कुछ नहीं है. It's completely the ancient history that they are showcasing. The royal family of Brussels, Belgium, they also visit. I mean, they're a part of this program, and the royalty, the entitlement continues क्योंकि उनके भी पूर्वज यहीं पे थे. So basically they continue and carry on the lineage. So इसीलिए it becomes a different sort of sight that we get to see. I mean, it was beautiful, and I did not feel like I am in 2026. It was more like I was in the 1800s or the early 1900s. I mean, जो मैं movies में देखी हूँ, honestly, I did not get to live that sort of history, but today I got to see this and I loved every bit of it. And it was crazy. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. I felt like I am actually not in this modern, technology dominating world. I was in a very different world, very peaceful, very happy faces. So yeah, ये जो idea है कि you do an event annually to show the world, where you have come from and what's your history. It matters a lot for the coming generations because, आजकल के kids who are born in the after 2000, they have not much idea about the world that was before. I mean, you have the internet, you have the phones and all, and you're very easily connected to the whole world, and somehow the history gets shadowed and forgotten. And I feel like we should never forget our history because आज हम लोग जहाँ है, it was because of our forefathers, and it was because of the people, my grandfather, unke grandfather. So it's very important to know where we have come from, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं होते तो हम नहीं होते. It felt like I was somewhere in between Bridgerton and Pride and Prejudice and the Pirates of the Caribbean. So the list goes on, but these are the movies that I've seen, and if you're a movie geek and you have watched such movies, ऐसा तो एक दिन हुआ होगा जब आपने hope किया या wish किया कि I wish I was in that sort of era, and today you get to see the same sort of view in front of you. I mean, not a movie but live. So yeah, I felt really, really, really good tonight.
On a red background. Après, on voit apparaître le messager de la paix à cheval aussi.
बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, but I couldn't follow with the announcements that were made because some were in French, some were in English, but I was so into the event that was happening कि मैं सुन नहीं रही थी कि क्या बोल रहे थे. There was something, you know, they were talking about maybe their history, maybe, you know, they were giving some sort of awards or something like that, or talking about, you know, अभी कौन आ रहा है, like that. पर मैं follow नहीं कर पा रही थी. I was just mesmerized by the view, and it looked like a set. It was like a movie going on, or because it was happening in this square, you know, जहाँ पे these palaces exist, and I was like, not in 2026. So that was the feeling, except I was just, you know, regretting कि मैंने एक गाउन क्यों नहीं पहना. That was my only regret for that night. And इतना भीड़ था. I mean, people from all around the world have come to visit Brussels, and they are here to see this, you know, beautiful event going on. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था कि सब इंटरेस्ट भी ले रहे थे जानने के लिए कि ये हिस्ट्री क्या है, एंड यू नो द इवेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग दे वर डूइंग, एंड इतने परफेक्शन से कर रहे थे ना. आई मीन, आई सॉ सम ट्रिक्स दे did, and it was so nice. Matlab, not everyone can do that, and they were doing it, so yeah, hats off to them. फिर मैं एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा साइड में आ गई जहाँ पे ये लोग एंटर कर रहे थे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको अच्छा व्यू मिल रहा था. वहाँ पे इतना भीड़ था समहाउ, एंड मेरा हाइट इतना छोटा है, आई कुडंट सी एनीथिंग, पीपल स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. उनके सर ही दिख रहे थे मुझे. सो आई वॉज पुटिंग माई फ़ोन अप ताकि मैं देख पाऊँ फ़ोन में क्या हो रहा है. बट देन आई गॉट टू सी दिस एली जहाँ से ये लोग एंटर कर रहे थे, एंड आई केम हियर टू सी कि अब कौन कौन जा रहा है, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू कैप्चर दीज moments, you know, for my phone, and I wanted to see कि अब क्या होने वाला है. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि अलग अलग ग्रुप्स हैं. They have come, you know, with their sort of performances. वो लोग अपने अटायर में हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. So they were following the uniforms and all, and they were all looking so nice. नज़र ना लगे, but seriously I was in awe of how they were looking. Every one of them, jo attire they, you know, have put on, they were looking really beautiful and right out of the history books that I have read. And the best part, everyone was cheering for them, and they were all smiles. Everyone was taking part in it, be it बच्चे या बूढ़े, सभी लोग इसमें पार्ट ले रहे थे. And everyone was doing something or the other. They are very talented, क्योंकि ये लोग जो इवेंट या फिर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं ना, इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट कि जाके कोई डांस करे या कुछ करे. दे वर परफॉर्मिंग स्टंट्स एंड ऑल. दैट वॉज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. मतलब अगर आप देखो, बट इट वॉज रियली 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 नाइस टू सी देम, you know, do something such incredible. आई कैन जस्ट गिव यू वन एडवाइस. अगर आप देख रहे हो ये चीज़ें, कि कभी अगर आपको कुछ करने का मन हो या कहीं जाने का मन हो, तो डू नॉट थिंक अ लॉट अबाउट इट. जस्ट डू इट, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. आई मीन, आप रिग्रेट नहीं करोगे. दिस इज़ वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल एवरी वन हु इज़ वॉचिंग दिस. क्योंकि आज का एग्ज़ाम्पल आप ले लो, मैं मूड में नहीं थी टू कम. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो लेज़ी घर पे, क्योंकि शाम हो गया था, रात होने वाला था. एंड देन सडनली आई सेड कि चलो चलते हैं, देख लेते हैं क्या ही होगा. बट मैं जब आई एंड जब मैं वापस घर गई, इट वॉज अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग. आई फेल्ट गुड दैट आई गॉट टू सी दिस. आई फेल्ट लकी that I was part of Brussels, and I actually you know, got to see so much happening in Brussels, और आगे भी देखूंगी जब तक मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. तो आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले व्लॉग में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.